A very bright morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is Monday and you all know that we have our English class today. Before starting our class, let us see this beautiful quote. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. So, as I told you that we have our English class today and English grammar class today, in which we have to start our chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is Articles. So before starting the chapter, children, I would like to tell you that in English we have 26 alphabets, in which we have 21 consonants. You all can see clearly. These are the 21 consonants and 5 vowels are there. These are the vowels. Okay? And articles depends upon these alphabets. Actually, the sounds of these alphabets. You all can see. Let me clear you all what are articles. Okay, let me explain you what articles are. Articles are words that define whether something is specific or unspecific. Okay, so articles you know, they tell us whether the things or something which is specific or unspecific. Specific means which is very special or particular, and unspecific means which is general. Okay, an article is a word that comes before a noun or adjectives. Okay, so articles they are always placed before a noun or adjectives. Now let us see how many types of articles are there. I hope you all have understood what articles are. Okay, articles are the words which are placed before nouns or adjectives. Okay, and articles are specific, which means particular, or they are unspecific, which means they are general. Okay, so articles are basically of 3 types: a, and, the. These are the 3 articles. Now, where and how we use these articles. Now let us see how we can use these articles and where we have to use these articles, and actually when we have to use these articles. I hope you have understood. In the beginning I have told you about the consonants and the vowels, and articles depends upon the sounds of the alphabets. Okay, so now the question is where and how we use the articles. Let us start with the first article, which is article a. Now where we can use a article? We use a for words beginning with a consonant sound. We use article a with the consonant sounds. In the beginning, I've told you that how many consonants are there? 21 consonants are there. So all these are consonants. Okay, and I'll give you one more video or I'll send you one video in which you can go through or listen to the sounds of the alphabets, and it will be more clear to you all. Okay, so a is used with the sounds of the consonants. These all are the 21 consonants. A very bright morning to all my lovely students. Today is Tuesday and you have your English grammar class. Let's start our class with a very beautiful and a very nice quotation. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. I hope you all have understood what it means. It means that whatever you need in life, it always need a hard work. So I know my students, you all are ready to put your hard work in whatever you do. I hope your hard work will have a fruitful ending. Let's start. There are few things that you have to keep in mind before moving further. You have to remember. Remember means that you have to keep these things regarding articles in your mind. Okay? The very first point is we don't use a or an with uncountable nouns like juice, rice. Okay? Uncountable nouns are what? Uncountable nouns are the nouns that you cannot count. Okay? Or plural nouns like apples, books, etc. Now, my dear students, you cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns or plural nouns. Okay? You cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns or plural nouns. Okay? Next point is always remember that consonants can have a vowel sound and vowels can have a consonant sound. It means, like yesterday I gave you the example of an hour. Okay? H is a consonant, but it is giving a sound of a vowel. Hour, a sound is coming, and a is a vowel. So that is why we have placed an with it. Okay? Now, and vowels can have a consonant sound. Now the word which is starting from a vowel, like the alphabet vowel, like uniform. U is a vowel, but U is giving a sound of a consonant. That is why we have placed a. So always keep this thing in mind, children. Consonants can have a vowel sound and vowels can have a consonant sound, and accordingly we will put a or an. Last is the use of an is determined by the sound, not by the letter. I have already explained you this. So these things you have to keep in your mind. Children, with the we have lot many rules are there, and you have to keep these rules in your mind. Then only you can understand where you can put the. Okay? So the is called the definite article. As I told you in the beginning when I was explaining, definite article means which is very particular, which is specific. जब हम किसी विशेष चीज की बात करते हैं तब हम वहां पे द लगाते हैं. Okay? When we are talking about something particular, then we put the. The is called the definite article because it is used to indicate something specific. We use the with singular, plural and uncountable nouns. Now, the can be placed with singular also, plurals also and uncountable nouns also. Okay? So, below are given certain rules where you can place article the. The very first rule is, it is clear which person or thing we mean. Means when sorry, when we are talking about something very specific person or very particular thing, when we are talking about, then we put the. Like for example, I study in the St. Peter school. Why we have put the? There are many schools in Kitcha, but you are talking about a specific school. You are taking the name of the school over here. That's why we will put the. Okay? I study in the St. Peter school. Next rule is when there is something which is single or which is only one in the world. Okay? When that thing is only one. The sun is a star. So sun is a single thing. You all must be knowing in the whole universe we have only one sun. That's why we are putting the sun is a star. And with star we are putting a. Why? Because there are many stars in the universe. We are not specific, which we are not talking about specific star. But sun is a specific thing. That is only one. That is why we are putting the. Next rule is with the names of oceans, seas, rivers, mountain ranges, holy books, well-known buildings, trains, ships and deserts. When we take the names of the oceans, seas, rivers, we put the. For example, the Ganga is a big river. Okay. Next rule is with superlatives. Now this thing must not be clear to you all. It is superlative degree is of adjectives. When we will do adjectives, it will be more clear to you all. So with superlative degree of adjectives, we always use the. I am the tallest boy. Okay. I am the best girl. I am the shortest girl in the class. So with the superlatives we always place the article. Next rule is with ordinal numbers. In maths you must have studied about ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All these numbers are known as ordinal numbers. So with ordinal numbers we place article the. For example, this is the first time I have visited Chennai. So first is the ordinal number. With ordinal number we will place the. Next is, and the last rule is sixth rule, that is second time when you talk about the same noun. Okay? जब हम उसी noun को दोबारा यूज करते हैं sentence में, then again we will put the there. For example, I bought a dress. The dress is pink. When you are talking about a thing and again when you repeat that same thing in the sentence, you will put the there. So these are the certain rules in article the. I hope you all have understood the chapter article. I'll send you certain exercises to solve in your notebooks. So thank you children.